Hi everyone, my name is Raj and I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'm here to talk about a course that I'm going to launch in my channel. So already I have launched a course in Python which is ongoing in my channel. You can go ahead in my channel and go to the playlist section and you can check it out. I have launched the course in Hindi and it's ongoing, but I thought that the same course I should be uploading in English because I'm not getting that much viewers who are actually interested in Hindi. So basically I'm going to upload the same videos, the same topics starting from the basic to advanced level Python, and it will be completely in English, right? But I'm not going to leave the Hindi playlist. I'm also going to complete that Hindi playlist. Videos will be parallelly coming, but for now, for some days, maybe I will be uploading the videos in English, and you can watch the English videos so that you can follow up along with me. One thing I want to make clear that you don't need any prerequisites for this course. Again, I'm telling this, you don't need any prerequisites for this course. You just have to know how to turn on a computer and work with the keyboard and mouse. That's it. That's the only thing that you need to watch and follow the course, right? So I'll meet you inside the course. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned. Goodbye.